Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to set up your default return address on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to My eBay section that is located at the bottom side of your screen. Scroll down to the Account section, and here you see Settings. Scroll down to the Selling section, and here you see Return Address. Tap on it and basically tap Add Address. And here fulfill all the information about your return address. This information includes your full name, your street, city, postal code, and your phone number. And if you want to make this return address primary, just move the slider to the right, but if not, just don't do it. And then when you are ready to add your return address, you need to save it by tapping this Done button at the top of your screen. So that's basically how you can set up your default return address on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.